Hello, friends! Look what we have today. It's the Peppa Pig Ice Cream Shop playset. We're going to explore what's inside. Are you ready? Let's go! First, we have the Peppa Pig. She's cute. Ready with an ice cream. Say hello, Peppa. Next, we have a table to sit and eat yummy ice creams. See, there is an umbrella. We can fix this to table for nice shade. We have 2 chairs too. What else we have? Ooh, look! So many colorful ice cream scoops. We have chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and more. Which one is your favorite? We can make so many fun combinations. There is a billing machine to bill the ice creams. Let us set up the shop now. First, I am going to place this ice cream stand. Let us fix umbrella to this table. Yay! We are done. It's time to arrange the chairs. Wow! It is almost finished. The Peppa Pig is here. Let's make him stand here. Oh, this is so pretty. Ice cream, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, blueberry, and mango. Ice cream. See here, Peppa is sitting on chair having his favorite yummy ice cream. That was so much fun. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Thanks for visiting Peppa's Ice Cream Shop. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun Playtime videos. See you next time.